is a Seawall inspection on October 30th, 2020 by SeaMeDive in Miami Beach. We're looking at coral rock seawall with some considerable undermining and loss of coral rock. Echino rock looks as big voids, and we're going to start the inspection on the west side and work our way eastwardly. Looking at the seawall, looking at the condition of the cap, which is right now kind of behind this wooden board here, so we can't really say what condition it is beyond the board, but as you can see here, some major cavities sideways. There's a lot of porousness in the seawall, also the lower area. Right here you can see the wall is really it's completely severed here, and the separation of the rock, and then this coconut tree here is probably the stablest thing in on the part of the seawall. We have a little bit of fenders here that are blocking my way, but we'll go around them. It looks like there's some cavities here too. There's considerable undercutting as well. Right here, just to give you an idea how far I can go in. Here on the second cavern. So this seawall is in very poor condition right now, and this will become unstable. The cap here is basically what's holding everything together, and when it has no support underneath it, that's going to be an issue. Squeeze through here. The work of a seawall inspector never ends. Right here showing how far I can go. This is the penetration. It's about almost 20 inches. Again, same thing here. You can see, now you can see the concrete cap. There was an overpour of the original cap. This is the original cap right here, which is no more than 4 or 5 inches, and then this was added on top of it, and then you can just see that there's just a complete I just pushed a 4-foot stainless sprung into the backside of the seawall. So, and that's probably everywhere here, because these coral rock walls are stacked walls and they kind of mortar together. There's no more mortar in this section of the wall. Back up. So the wall is about 4.5 feet, maybe 5 feet to the top of the pavers. And right here there's a bunch of fenders. Somebody's a collective fender here. We have a fender collector. Squeeze by his fender collection. Again, right here you can see the undercutting again. And actually here there's a connection between two caps. And I mean, the old cap is just no longer there. The new pour was probably done when this complex was redone. And you can see how this is part of the wall, and I can move this rock and she's all the way in there. So this is just to explain how these walls are stacked walls. And here again, I'm pushing my prong, and the penetration into the wall is about 3 feet. So it's way beyond the thickness of this wall. This section is a little bit better. Still, there's a big horizontal crack between the overpour over the cap. There's no footer to the seawall. There's nothing but rocks at the base of the seawall. Here, same thing. Very significant undercutting, and again, it's where we have these nice coconut palms here, and they're probably doing more work on stabilizing the ground than the seawall is. I mean, this is in there, and this section of undercutting is about 10 foot long, and you can see slowly that the areas are starting to give, meaning the lower part of the wall is actually starting to give, and the top side is just held by the rebar that makes it unified throughout its length. But yeah, this structure needs to be worked on, or a new structure needs to be built in front of it. This is definitely towards the end of its functional life, and the seawall is not a functioning seawall and is in the process of severe deterioration. Another undercutting area, another 6-foot section. We are almost at the east end of the property. And there we are, right here at the border between two properties. So this inspection was conducted again by SeaMeDive on September 30th, 2020 in beautiful Miami Beach, Florida.